Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable memory integrity in Windows 11. So if you're not able to turn it on, I'll show you how to fix it. First thing I want you to do is just search up on your Windows 11 registry editor. Okay, open this up, and then here on the left hand menu, click on the drop down next to HKey local machine. And then I want you to click on right here on system, right, the drop down. Then from here you should see, okay, I want you to come right here, click on current control set, and then you should see driver database. Okay, click on this, and now we have more options, right? I want you to just go ahead and click on device guard, and then just go ahead and right click there, create a new key. Okay, so we'll create it there, and the new key, I want you to use a D-word value. So we'll use 32-bit. And what I want you to do is just go ahead and set the name to enabled. Okay, and then I want you to enter the value data 1. Make sure it's hexadecimal. Okay, make sure the value name is enabled. Hit OK. And then what I want you to do is just go search up core isolation again. And here's memory integrity. Just go ahead and turn it on. It will check for driver compatibility. If it's compatible, it's perfect. Otherwise, if you find any incompatible drivers, right? Any incompatible drivers, what I want you to do is, for example, this one, OEM11.inf. Just go to your device manager, open that up, right? Go here to devices by driver, hit view, go to devices by driver. And what I want you to do is look for it. So OEM11.inf. So that one should be right here. I want you to just right click, hit remove driver, and then make sure you uninstall this driver from any devices that currently use it, and then hit remove. Okay, that will fix the issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.